So we're now going to create some rgTokens on AVIPAD. rgTokens created is automatically through our adapter connected to the token factory, has a denom, and so anyone could use those immediately when they adopt it. We're creating a brand new one in this scenario, so not a transform, that's on a different video. We'll need to fill in some basic information. And then now we need to create the correct, we need to select, the correct credentials that we expect the user or the asset holder of this rgToken when they mint or when they transfer to have, to provide the zero knowledge proof of this credential on withdrawal. So we'll select a physical person one in this case, and you can see all the different attributes and trusted issuer. And we'd like to review this process at the end, and then finally create the rgToken. You can now see them at the projects page.